Learn how SMU Libraries patrons can use LibKey Nomad, a free browser extension, to easily access more content on the web. When searching or reading content on the web, it's frustrating to find articles or books like this with their content blocked behind paywalls. The browser extension LibKey Nomad quickly connects you to our SMU Libraries subscriptions for many of these content providers. It's free to you. First, download the LibKey Nomad extension for your browser at thirdiron.com/download-nomad. It's compatible with Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and others. After installation, go to the Manage Extensions section of your browser and type Methodist to find and select Southern Methodist University in the list. Then close the window. By the way, all links mentioned here, plus more help, are clickable in the video description below. Now, wherever you are searching online, LibKey will pop up with access options. For an entire publication, like The Economist or New York Times, this banner will alert you that we have some subscription, and it'll direct you to our best way of accessing individual articles. For some articles, you may have to do a little extra searching within the publication to find a specific article. See our Troubleshooting Title Searches video for more help on that if needed. For individual articles, you'll see buttons such as Download PDF, Article Link, or Access options to get the content for free. LibKey even shows up when searching in generative AI search tools like Consensus, Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and many more. Ask it for a bibliography or references, and it will link from any articles in the list of sources to our subscriptions. For SMU Book Access, you'll want to check Library Search. This Search for Books video shows you how. Thanks for watching, and please contact us at smu.edu/askus if you have any questions or additional access problems.